You know who this is, right? Well, what a day in financial markets today. Many of you have been asking about my view on the market, more specifically if we come down crashing from here. Well, if by market you mean crypto, maybe. I'm not a crypto hater, but just not a big fan because of all the frauds and bad actors in the space. In terms of the equity markets, I don't think we come down crashing from here. I think the stock market is just experiencing higher volatility. And the whole thing started when the market realized that inflation is not going away and there is a risk of it resurging. So we've been discussing this for months because we look at leading indicators of inflation. So basically, indicators that predict what inflation will be like in a few months. So we knew about this from many months in advance, and we've been positioning for whatever's been happening in the market. What I think is happening is volatility is increasing because if inflation is not going away and maybe resurging, that creates a lot of issues for many companies, industries, and sectors. And investors are shifting their expectations with respect to how quickly and what's the extent of interest rate cuts that the Fed have in their plans for the future. So that's not happening anytime soon, as per my view. And of course, capital is moving in accordance to that change in expectations. So that's basically why we're getting higher volatility. I think this is a normal feature of the stock market. And if you know how to navigate your way, you actually love these types of conditions because you have higher volatility. As a trader, you want to have higher volatility because things move a lot more. Fundamentals come back in focus. And at the same time, that creates a lot of opportunities for you as a trader. So you would absolutely love to be trading in these types of environments. There's no reason to be scared if you know what you're doing. We're also experiencing higher dispersion. So this is basically moving back to the point where companies are trading more closely in line with their fundamentals or immediate fundamentals. So good companies are getting bought, bad companies are getting sold. So dispersion means that the move in between stock prices are less correlated. So you have many companies moving up, many companies moving down, and that creates opportunities on both sides of the fence as a long and as a short at the same time. So as traders, as long short traders, this is amazing because it gives you opportunities to make money on the long side and make money on the short side, all the while having your portfolio hedged against market risk. So this is amazing. This is typical, like the most loved environment for traders.